Hello, welcome to this TechnicForce tutorial. In this video, we're going to discuss how to connect your Google Cloud Platform account to Vidscribe. As a more experienced user of Vidscribe, at some point you're going to want to connect to your Google Cloud Platform account for increased security, reliability, and performance. To do that, just go to the admin sidebar on the left here and click Settings. Under the Application Settings tab here, we can just scroll down and we can check mark the box that says check to use your own Google Cloud Platform. And that'll pop up a window that asks us for our Google Cloud Platform API key. To get that, just click here. This will open the Google Cloud Quick Start Guide. If you're not already logged in, just log in, and then you can click here to set up a project. You can either select an existing project or create a new one. Here we'll create a new one, and then click Next. In order to proceed, we'll need to provide a billing account for this project. To do that, we can just click here to open the API console. If we already have a billing account that we want to authorize, we can select that. Otherwise, we can create a billing account here. And here's a bit of good news. You can try Google Cloud Platform for free with a $300 credit. You'll be asked for your credit card, but that's just to make sure we're not a robot. We're not going to be charged until we actually run through our $300 of credit. And then we'll have to manually upgrade to a paid account. So we'll just select our country. Check the box. And then we can continue. If you don't already have a payments profile set up, you'll be asked to create one. Otherwise, we can just scroll to the bottom and start the free trial. Once we've set up that billing account, we can go back to the Quick Start Guide and click Continue. That finishes the project setup. Then we can download the private key that we use to authenticate our service account. Then click Done. Next, we'll head over to the Cloud Console to get our API. Once we're in the Cloud Console, just verify that we're managing the proper project here. If the right project name doesn't appear in the bar, just select the right project from your project list. Then go to the navigation menu, here marked by the 3 bars in the banner. Click that. And we'll select APIs and Services. Once the APIs screen opens, we can click Enable APIs and Services. And then in the library search bar, we'll type Translate. And we're looking for the Cloud Translation API, so we'll select that. And it may come up and say API is already enabled, or you may see a box here that says Enable, in which case you can click on that box that says Enable. And next we need to get our credentials. So go back to the navigation menu. We'll go to APIs and Services and select Credentials. Next we'll click Create Credentials and select API Key. And here's an API key for us, so we'll go ahead and select this icon here to copy to our clipboard. Then we can go back to Vidscribe and paste that into the API key field. And then click Submit. And that's it. We've now added our Google Cloud Platform account to Vidscribe. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks very much for watching.